In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to edit sequences in HubSpot step by step. Whether you want to update email copy, adjust task reminders, change timing, or completely restructure your sales outreach flow, this guide will walk you through everything you need to know. If you're using HubSpot Sales to automate follow-ups and nurture leads, knowing how to properly edit your sequences is essential. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important details. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more HubSpot tutorials. Let's get started. First, we need to navigate to the Sequences tool. Log into your HubSpot account, and from the left-hand menu, go to Sales, then click on Sequences. Once you're inside, you'll see a list of all the sequences that have been created in your account. This includes active sequences, drafts, and previously used ones. Take a moment to locate the specific sequence you want to edit. Next, open the sequence you want to modify. Simply click on the name of the sequence. HubSpot will open the sequence editor. This is where you'll see all the steps laid out in order. These steps may include automated emails, task steps, call reminders, and manual email steps. Each step represents a touchpoint in your outreach process, and this is where you can customize everything. Now let's talk about editing individual sequences steps. If you want to edit an email step, locate the email in the sequence. On the step card, click the three dots menu and then choose Edit Email. From here, you can modify the subject line, adjust the body content, update personalization tokens, add or remove links, and refine your messaging. Make sure your email still aligns with your overall outreach strategy. Once you've made your changes, click Update or Save to apply them. If you need to edit a task step instead, the process is slightly different. Find the task step in your sequence and click on Actions, then select Edit Task. Inside the task editor, you can change the task title, update the description with clearer instructions, adjust the due time, set the priority level, and even modify the task type. For example, you can switch it from a to-do to a call or an email reminder. After making your updates, save your changes to ensure the sequence reflects the new task settings. Now let's look at adding or moving steps within your sequence. If you want to add a new step, click the plus Add Step button wherever you'd like the new action to appear. HubSpot will give you several options. You can add an automated email, create a task, schedule a call reminder, or insert a manual email step. Choose the option that fits your outreach plan and configure it just like we discussed earlier. If you need to reorder steps, HubSpot makes it very simple. Hover over the step you want to move. On the left side of the step card, you'll see a 6-dot handle. Click and drag that handle to reposition the step anywhere within the sequence. This is especially useful if you're restructuring your follow-up timing or adjusting the logical flow of your communication. As you edit your sequence, take a moment to review the overall timing between steps. Make sure your delays make sense and that you're not overwhelming prospects with too many touchpoints too quickly. A well-structured sequence should feel natural and strategic, not automated and robotic. Once you're finished editing, double-check all changes to ensure everything is saved correctly. Your updated sequence will now be ready for new enrollments moving forward. And that's it. That's exactly how to edit sequences in HubSpot, including modifying emails, updating tasks, adding new steps, and reorganizing your workflow. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step HubSpot guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.